Hi friends, I welcome you all to a new video in CSET Nahi Rukega series. So today we will see profit and loss. First we will quickly see the formulas and then we will see the actual CSET question. So ये तो पता ही होगा कि profit loss किसको बोलते हैं, है ना? Profit percent equal to profit divided by cost price into 100. Loss होगा तो loss आ जाएगा यहाँ पे. Selling price जब profit percent दिया है तो selling price का formula होता है cost price into 100 प्लस प्रॉफिट परसेंट डिवाइड बाय 100. लॉस हो गया तो 100 माइनस लॉस परसेंट डिवाइड बाय 100 हो जाएगा. इसी इक्वेशन से वी आल्सो फाइंड कॉस्ट प्राइस. व्हेन प्रॉफिट इज नोन, सेलिंग प्राइस इज नोन एंड यू हैव टू फाइंड कॉस्ट प्राइस, देन कॉस्ट प्राइस इक्वल टू सेलिंग प्राइस इनटू 100 डिवाइड बाय 100 प्लस प्रॉफिट परसेंट. लॉस है तो 100 माइनस loss percent. Okay, these are only the formulas which you need to know. Now just see the actual question. A person bought a car and sold it for 3 lakh. If he incurred a loss of 20%, what was the cost price? So क्या दिया हुआ है? सोल्ड है तो सेलिंग प्राइस हो गई है 3 लाख रुपीज है. ओके, एंड व्हाट एल्स इज गिवन? लॉस हैज बीन प्रोवाइडेड एंड नाउ दे वांट टू आस्क फ्रॉम यू द कॉस्ट प्राइस. तो कॉस्ट प्राइस का हमने यहाँ पे इक्वेशन दिखा था ना, कॉस्ट प्राइस इक्वल टू सेलिंग प्राइस जो कि यहाँ पे है 3 lakhs इंटू 100. ओके, डिवाइड बाय 100 माइनस व्हाट? लॉस है यहाँ पे तो माइनस होगा ना, इसीलिए 100 minus 20. From this equation, we will get cost price equal to 3,75,000. Okay. Another question was there. This came in CSET 2024 itself. The question says, what percent of water must be mixed with honey so as to gain 20% by selling the mixture at the cost price of honey? यहाँ पे जो usual now at many places practices होता है कि milk में they add water just to gain more profit. So similar kind of thing is there. What percent of water must be mixed with honey so as to gain 20% by selling the mixture at the cost price of honey? कॉस्ट प्राइस ही रखा बट वाटर डाल दिया तो हनी का जो क्वांटिटी है वो कम हो गया. ओके, सो लेट ऐसे क्वेश्चन में व्हाट यू हैव टू डू इज लेट हनी बी 100 ml. 100 ml हनी है तो 1 ml का कॉस्ट है 1 रुपीज. ओके, 20% अगर गेन करना है यहां से तो 120 रुपीज हमें मिलना चाहिए. कंसिडरिंग वाटर इज फ्री, कंसिडरिंग वाटर इज फ्री, so we need extra 20 rupees प्रॉफिट. अब 1 रुपीज में 1 ml हनी है तो हमें 20 ml वाटर डालेंगे जो दैट विल बी disguised as honey. अब जो the buyer will think that this is honey only. So 20 ml extra water we will add. So water percent will be what? 100 ml honey is there, we supposed, and 20 ml water we added, so it will be 20%. Okay, so quickly revise it again. Profit percent equal to profit divided by cost price into 100. Loss percent equal to loss divided by cost price into 100. Selling price when profit is given is selling price into cost price into 100 plus profit percent divided by 100. If there is loss, 100 minus profit percent divided by 100. Loss तब होता है जब cost price is more than selling price. Okay. And इसी formula से if you have to find cost price when selling price and profit percent or loss percent is given, then cost price equal to selling price into 100 divided by 100 plus profit percent or 100 minus loss percent. Here we had solved this question using this formula only, where the loss percent was given, selling price was given, and they were asking from us cost price. So cost price equal to selling price into 100 divided by the 100 minus loss percent. Okay. So then we got the answer 3,75,000. Here we supposed 100 ml as the honey quantity, and then we solved this question through this trial and error method, or let's assume method. You can call anything. This method is a kind of Brahmastra. In percentage also we had applied this method of supposing 100, and in profit and loss also, if you want to avoid long equations, you can use this. So thank you very much.